Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. 48-hour group build and Batman group build. Going to build these. I am committing in 48 hours to getting this one done. Because this one is a figure. Oh, this is a picture of the actual models. And I think that's going to take like some shading to make it look really good, shading and highlighting and stuff, and maybe the wet palette. I haven't used that in a while. And I want that to look, obviously really good. So that may take a little longer, the rider, Batman, but I'm committing to get this done, the BatPod itself. So thought I would do, it starts at 7 o'clock Central Time. I think it's, what time is it? 5:37. So I thought I'd do a unboxing, kill some time, and then get ready. So this is the Moebius models 1 to 25 Dark Knight Trilogy BatPod. And they have, Moebius has this whole series. I don't know if you saw when I was over there in my intro video. I have the his car now. It's the Bane car, but it's the same one. You could do it as the Batman car. We've got instructions. Important. Read this first. Paint you use. Oh, this is, that's really good advice. This kit is designed to be built in sub-assemblies. We would suggest that it is best to paint each sub-assembly separately before final assembly. I totally agree. That's pretty nice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assemblies. Chassis, front wheel, rear wheel, handlers, final assembly, painting instructions. Pretty cool. Ooh. All right, so yeah, that's pretty cool. And then suggested paint colors. Silver, black, silver, white with black, silver. Pretty monochromatic, so I probably will differentiate it up also because I'm going to be doing the Alclad for the Ducati probably at the same time, just killing as many birds with as many stones as I. So this is the steering system, munitions, left munitions cluster, right munitions cluster, pneumatically launched grappling hooks, 50 cal machine gun, foot pedal, 40 millimeter cannon, headlights, arm guards. So yeah, I'll probably, instead of everything silver, I'll probably differentiate it up a little bit, go with gunmetal on the gun barrels, maybe some titanium in here, some dark aluminum, and then anywhere where I do go chrome, I'll like bring it down. It won't like be chromy, and differentiate up a little bit, and then differentiate probably also in here. Some will be, flat or matte finish, and others maybe I'll go with the X1, the Tamiya X1 gloss black. So yeah, so that's going to be cool. Okay, so that is the instructions. What do we got? So we've got rubber tires. Cool. Very nice. Those shouldn't even need any work. Nice. Okay. And we've got 2 sprues of parts. Flash here, but I really don't see much on the parts. Yeah, those are pretty clean. All right, so that is the BatPod. let's go over to the figure. I'm Batman. Cool. Okay, so Batman if you're just doing them standing, and then Batman for the BatPod. So this is what I'm doing. Torso, and then, yeah, and then basically fitting them onto the bike. So like I said, this is probably, you know, it's very simple to build. I think most of the work here is going to be painting and shading and highlighting and getting them to look real. And then, yeah, here's the suggested paint guide. Face, skin, flash dark eye, semi-black, black, flat black, semi-gloss black, semi-gloss black, dark gold. Okay, kit. So we got two different torsos. Two different capes. That's the flying one, that's the standing one. Hands, arms and legs. Arms and legs. Torso, front and back. Two heads. Holy cow. That's two models. That's pretty cool. I did not know that. Does it say and or? Includes Batman Rider. So it's both. That's amazing. I did not know that when I bought it. So that's super cool. So I'm going to set the standing one aside and do the rider. So I'll figure out which parts are which and do that. Anyway, I thought that would be interesting to unbox these. It is 5:48, so I'm going to take this stuff downstairs, get set up, get everything set up, maybe have a bite to eat, and then get into this. And I also want to thank the hosts of both group builds. So Shaggys AWWSM Garage for the Batman group build, as well as Mutt Modeler, Greg, for the 48-hour group build. So thanks guys for hosting. Always love group builds on YouTube. And it's about 6:30 and I'll get started on this in about a half hour. Post this video and then I'll get started.